Now class 6, today I want to discuss the question answers of the chapter The Little Prince Visits the Asteroids, and this is from your book Root. Now all of you ready with your copy, question answer copy? Now question number 1. What are asteroids? All of you write it down. What are asteroids? Answer. Asteroids are small bodies that orbit the sun but are different from the moons of a planet. They are irregularly shaped, just like the rocks. They are irregularly shaped, just like the rocks we see around us, and are made of carbon, stone, and metal. This is asteroid, definition of asteroid. Now let me repeat it again. What are asteroids? They are small bodies that orbit the sun but are different from the moons of a planet. They are irregularly shaped, just like the rocks we are around us, rocks which we have around us, and are made of carbon, stone, and metal. Now next question. What was the reaction of the minister looking at the prince? Reaction of the king. Now again look, I am repeating the question, all of you write it. What was the reaction of the king looking at the prince? Write the answer. Looking at the prince, the king became very happy. The king called the prince as his subject. Again write it. Looking at the prince, the king became very happy. The king called the prince as his subject. Now question number 3. Where did the king stay? Question number 3. Where did the king stay? Answer. The king stayed at the first asteroid 325. The king stayed at the first asteroid 325. Next, sketch the nature of king. Sketch the nature of king. The king was both simple and majestic. The answer starts. The king was both simple and majestic. He was not a tyrant. Tyrant, tyrant. The king said to the prince that his rule was not absolute, it was universal. I am repeating this sentence again. The king said to the prince that his rule was not absolute, it was universal. The king was the ruler of whole planet, the stars and the universe. Full stop. The king had enough faith on his command. COMMAND command. Let me repeat it. The king had enough faith on his command. Full stop. The king was very reasonable. REASONABLE, reasonable. REASONABLE, reasonable. Full stop. He said to the prince that one must perform one's own duty. He said to the prince that one must perform one's own duty. Full stop. The king said his orders are reasonable. The king said his orders are reasonable. The king wanted to keep the prince with him forever. Again I am repeating the last sentence. The king wanted to keep the prince with him forever. Now next question. What was the comment of the prince about the king at the end of the story? Now, what was the comment of the prince about the king at the end of the story? Now, answer. The prince realized that the king was very lonely. The prince realized that the king was very lonely. And the prince remarked, R-E-M-A-R-K-E-D, remarked that, comma, then within inverted you write, the grown-ups are very strange. The grown-ups, again I am repeating, within inverted, the grown-ups are very strange. Then write the last sentence. The prince made the comment, made this comment, C-O-O-M-E-N-T, C-O-M-M-E-N-T, sorry, C-O-M-M-E-N-T. The prince made this comment and left the place, Now, question number 6. All of you write question number 6. Why did the prince visit the asteroids? Question number 6 is, why did the prince visit the asteroids? Answer. The prince visited the asteroids to enhance his knowledge. The prince visited the asteroids to enhance his knowledge. Now, meaning. Now the meaning I am again repeating. Most of the meaning I have given you before, again, finally. Now, these two words I have not given. Page number 15. Condemn. C-O-D-E-M-N. C-O-D-E-M-N. Condemn. Dash. Say what someone's punishment will be. Repeating. Say what someone's punishment will be. Number 2. Thriftily. T-H-R-I-F-T-I-L-Y. T-H-R-I-F-T-I-L-Y. Thriftily. Dash. Within bracket you write here. Then write carefully. Now next. Almanac. A-L-M-A-N-A-C. Almanac. Dash. A calendar that gives information. A calendar that gives information about the sun, moon, and tides for every day of the year. Now, ermine, E-R-M-I-N-E, ermine, dash, the white fur of a type of vessel, W-E-A-S-C-L, often used to decorate formal robes. F-O-R-M-E-L, formal, R-O-B-E-S, robes. Next, etiquette, E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E. Let me repeat the word again. E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E, etiquette, page number 12. The rules of correct or polite behavior. Next, abashed, A-B-A-S-H-E-D, abashed means embarrassed. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D, E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D, embarrassed. Next, fastened, F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D, F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D, fastened, dash, something without delay. Next again I am repeating this again. Almanac, A-L-M-A-N-A-C. Again I have given you before. A calendar, important, that's why repeating again. A calendar that gives information about the sun, moon, and tides for every day of the year. Okay, this is the end of the chapter, giving you the question answer. Go through these questions and word meaning. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.